This is my marketing project by Hemil Patel. Alright, so the purpose and background. My company is called Batcave Gaming, and it is a new company. The new product that Batcave Gaming will offer is a gaming system that will compete with the big name consoles, such as PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo. The gaming system offered by Batcave Gaming is called the Midnight 1.0 console. The industry that Batcave Gaming is in is the technology industry slash video game industry. I chose to offer this new console because I think that the gaming industry slash technology industry is being run by basically the three big companies, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo. I think that this industry needs to see some new competition, and Batcave Gaming is willing to join in to compete with them. Next is the industry background and competition. The situation of competition in this market is that the market is very competitive when it comes to the gaming industry. And the companies are trying to outdo themselves, and the other competitors are doing that as well. As stated by Andrew Beatty, the video game sector is immensely large. In fact, it is larger than the movie and music industries combined, and it is only growing. Though it doesn't get the same attention that the movie and music industry does. There are over 2 billion gamers across the world. That is 26% of the world's population. So this quote shows that the gaming industry is bigger than most people think it is, and that it is actually bigger than the movie and industry combined and the music industry combined, which is a big deal. I think that one of the competition or competitive advantages that the product we will have is it will be affordable with a high-end performance. Right now, the high-end Xbox Series X is selling for $500, and the PlayStation 5 is for the digital version around $400 to $500, and then for the disc version, it's actually maybe around $500 to $550. And that is basically the industry background and competition. All right, next is the product line or product life cycle stage. And the life cycle stage of the Midnight 1.0 console is introduction, the introductory stage. And this is basically, let's see here. There is still a lot to put into play here, such as how the numbers are doing in the industry, and hopefully gets to the next stage, which is growth for this company. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the product characteristics. The product characteristics is that the brand name of the product will be, again, the Midnight 1.0 console. And the colors will be pretty unique compared to the competition, which PlayStation 5 has white, and then Xbox has white or black, which the Series X, the high-end one, is black. And basically, the Midnight 1.0 will have a variety of colors, and they will be pretty bright. And there will be an option that you can get a custom paint job as well for the for the console. Also, to stand out in the console market, Batcave Gaming will be taking some inspiration from PC and also make consoles see-through so that the consumer can see what hardware is in there and, kind of look cool in a way. And the materials used to make the console will be plastic, so it's lightweight and cheaper to produce. The box that the hardware will sit in. The unboxing will be minimalistic and it will just be the console, controller, wires, and a couple of decals with the logo on them. The most important feature of this product is, again, that it will provide a high-end performance with a low-end price. What I mean by low-end price is that it will be cheaper than its competitors when it comes to high-performance consoles, such as Xbox Series X or the PlayStation 5. Next is the positioning of the product. So here is a graph that I pulled from a website that's in my citations or my references. And as you can see, there's Xbox One, PS4, or PS5 in this case, which should be just about with the Xbox One, which is kind of outdated. And show the new consoles, Xbox Series X, and then the PS5. But this is just something that I can go off. And as you can see, that Xbox and PS4 are pretty high up. And as you can see here, this is the high price and high quality up here. So as the Midnight 1.0 console, I think the pricing will be like the console will have a high-end performance or high quality, and the pricing will be less than PS4 or PS5, should I say, and Xbox Series X. Around right here is where I would place the Midnight console. Next is the pricing. The proposed price that the Midnight 1.0 console will have is going to be $350 for a high performance console. I think that the pricing strategy that the company will use is competitive pricing, which is a price that is based on what the competition charges, but the company will keep it lower than the competition. Okay. Next is placing or channel management. And I think that the best way to get the product to consumers is by using an indirect channel of distribution, so that this way multiple companies can sell the products in stores such as Best Buy, Target, Walmart, etc. And this way, not only one company handles the orders and makes consumers wait for their product or have a wait list, so that the consumers actually get their products and don't have to go to one store to get the product. Next is promotions. First, I will talk about advertising. I think that the company will air a couple commercials on the major TV channels as well as do YouTube ads. I think this is going to be a successful thing, because YouTube is used by a lot of people who don't watch TV that much like me. I see new products and movies that are coming out, and I sometimes get persuaded by the YouTube ads that come before a video. The aspect of the TV channel is that people are watching TV, and if a commercial pops up and does a great job showcasing the features, then people will be more encouraged to buy the product. Next is promotion. I think that one of the promotions that would be a great way to get consumers and dealers on board is whenever someone buys a product, they will automatically get a gift card worth, let's just say, $10 here, and that'll be for the dealer store. And basically it will help the store, because as consumers go back to use the gift card, they will also buy other things, which helps out the store that is, selling the consoles. Also, Black Friday is going to be a promotion that will be a good opportunity for the company as well, by lowering the already low prices and still offer a gift card as well to the said store that sold the consoles. And the budget right now is undetermined. Lastly, publicity. A great way for a company to get recognized as well as help the society is that the company will have a charity that helps feed the homeless and help food shelters. A portion of the sales will go to charity, and also every year around Christmas, the company will donate consoles and games to children's hospitals to help the kids through whatever they're going through and keep their mind off from it a bit. Finally is promotional Salesforce or promotion Salesforce. The Salesforce that the company Decade Gaming is using will be distributor Salesforce. The recruitment will be like most companies out there, and the company will use LinkedIn as well as other sites to recruit people, but it will also have company email on the company website. If people want to apply through the company website, they can send their resume to the email that is on the company website, and you know move things forward from there. And let's see, once that is taken care of, there will be a scheduled meeting with the person that is applying, and also training will be provided by the company, and it will roughly last 15 to 20 weeks. And the compensation plans for the sales force is going to be a mixture between fixed and variable. So the sales force will receive a salary like most places, but also receive a bonus at the end of each year. And these are my references. I also used Bing to find the photos, which was already in PowerPoint. And this is basically my presentation. Thank you.